Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Casoda latest HD1080P Wi-Fi wireless backup camera for iPhone and Android, ultra strong signal, smooth video, crystal clear picture. Easy to install, for truck, trailer, camper, RV, van. Why you choose Casoda latest HD1080P Wi-Fi wireless backup camera for iPhone and Android. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Crystal clear view. This wireless backup camera has built-in advanced HD1080p CCD chip and high-definition wide-angle glass lens, adopted lossless compression technology. Plus high-resolution phone screen achieves ultra-high-definition video images, the images is clearer and more realistic. Ultra-strong signal. This wireless backup camera uses a high-sensitivity RF chip and anti-interference circuit design which makes the transmission distance longer and more stable. The stable transmission distance up to 60 feet. Ultra-smooth video image. Strong and stable signal connection and high anti-interference ability ensure high frame rate and ultra-smooth video images. The video image will not freeze. Easy to install. You can easily install it yourself. Mount the wireless backup camera on the roof of carriage, connect the power cable, download the app and connect the camera Wi-Fi, everything is ready. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important, don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.